to another video. So today, something that I've been trying to find for a while. So for those of you that don't know or are new to this channel, I am lactose intolerant. I am also gluten intolerant, but we are trying Cadbury's plant-based chocolate. So trying to find a chocolate that is not always been lactose intolerant, and with that you always, if you try something that's got the normal milk removed from it, you're always comparing it to the thing that you've had in the past. Pizza, the best pizza, you then try a lactose or gluten-free version of it and it's just not the same. There is a video coming out in a couple of weeks of me trying the best gluten lactose free pizza I've ever tried. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the button, like, comment, share it, check out the merch, move the microphone, check out the merch, check out my Patreon, get involved, check out my plans if you want me to train you. So let's give it a go. So we tried some of this last night. Jamie's not a fan. I don't think it's that bad. Now it doesn't melt like I remember the normal one does. And I don't know why. But I suppose that's because it's not got the fats in it from the normal cow's milk. Looks nice though. Smells nice. $126 calories for 6 chunks. So you can't really complain. That's better, not as dark. Now, bear in mind this is 7 o'clock, half 7 in the morning. Now it's not awful. If I was to give it a mark out of 10, give it an 8. So not terrible. And if you're lactose intolerant, that's up there with the best 3 I've tried. Where is that in the 3? I don't know. See, like I say, you're always comparing it to something you've had in the past. Dairy milk, Galaxy. Obviously beautiful. And you're always comparing it to that. That's the biggest issue I found with being lactose intolerant, is you're always comparing it to the stuff of the past. So I'm always comparing it to dairy milk, Cadbury's. Same with any food that you'd have to take the lactose out of it. If I'd always been lactose intolerant from the start, then I don't think there'd be an issue because you've got nothing to compare it to. Because I've got something to compare it to. It's just never nice. Fits the bill, it'll fill the void, but as soon as my body understands that I don't need to be lactose intolerant, the better. So yeah, like the video, comment on the video. By the time this comes out, no, this is coming out sooner than I thought. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Dairy milk, vegan chocolate, 8 out of 10. See you in the next one.